I'm Heidi Fehrenbacher from Bella Joy Pottery, and today we're gonna take our rice paper transfer and we're gonna put it on this bisqueware mug. So join me, let's get started. Okay, so we have our rice paper transfer, we have our mug, so you know the drill. If you watch the other videos, we're gonna make a mark on the rice paper so we know that it'll cover the mug. I'm gonna take my ruler, just gonna draw a line. So my studio is in an old chicken coop and it's getting warm and it doesn't smell the best. It does not smell like chickens. I'm not exactly sure what it smells like, but it does not smell the best. So I just thought I'd let you know. It's not the best. Okay, so we're gonna cut all this excess off, right? Because we wanna wrap it around the mug, so we don't need this excess. And I want to once again tell you that these scissors from Slice are amazing. I did a bunch of decorating this week. I cut a bunch of paper and I didn't have any hand pain. I get asked about those scissors a lot. Okay, so we take our rice paper transfer, we take our mug, we wrap it around. We see where it'll fit. I'm just going to bend it, fold it, right? Take the scissors, just gonna cut it. We're gonna take our mug, gonna wrap it around, just like we've been doing with the other ones. Just gonna boop, boop. Gonna take our sponge and moisten, everybody's favorite word, the rice paper transfer. And we can peel it. Ta-da! And then lastly, before we go, I'm not going to glaze that, but I wanted to show you a couple things from the past few videos. The first rice paper transfer video was this piece. I did add a handle. It was supposed to be a mug. I have forgotten to glaze it, so I can't show you it finished, but the one from the last video where we applied the rice paper transfer to the bisque, I did end up glazing this in this pretty purple glaze, and it looks good. So that is it. We will see you next week. Pottery's better with a pal, so like, subscribe, and share with a friend.